Got to do ours.
Yeah, I'm talking to be pussy about it.
Hey, they're still doing it.
Yeah, we're still doing it, so it's all good.
It'll be on YouTube. I can't stop shaking.
You're gonna do that one? Yeah.
Emily, you gotta match it.
Don't spew it on me. I know you will.
It's not gonna be in my mouth for more than 5 seconds.
Dude, that's ridiculous. That's more.
No, you gotta hold it until you can't.
Yeah, try to swallow it. That's the whole point of the game. Seriously.
That is.
I'm gonna cry. We gotta go out.
Sam's already fucking gagging.
It's not that bad. It's just like the after effect.
Burns
Hold this.
after a while.
We gotta go out in the street for this.
No, we gotta have light.
Well, we have some.
After a while, it kind of tastes.
All right, right here.
Don't get on the part.
Get side by side each other.
I'm shaking.
Dude, one.
I can't look at her. Hold on.
Don't spit on clothes. Seriously, I'll fucking freak.
Wait, get closer.
Why are you backing up?
She's flipping out, man. On 3.
God.
1, 2, 3.
She didn't do it.
Pep, go.
Go. Come on, we
Pep,
all
go.
did it. Scared the fuck out of me.
Hold it in.
Try to swallow it.
Oh my god.
Dude, out in the street.
Oh my God, smile. Pep, quit leaving.
Do something with it, come on. The Sam's about to win. Never mind.
Where's your water?
It's all the way over there. Let us see your mouth, come on.
I'm drooling.
Yeah, you might want to back your hair up. You guys wanted to. It was just going to be me and Buckles. It looks like you're chewing on shit.
Trying.
How bad is it?
It's pretty bad. Yeah. It's gross, ain't it? Gargle it. It's going to be in your throat. I'm trying to help. I was just in this situation.
I held it in longer than all of you. No.
It's because you're a champ at nothing.
Stuck on my throat.
Remember Emily's mom caught Emily and Buckles? Emily's mom caught Emily. Yeah. You didn't have to stop before. That was a bad idea.